Another seafood recipe para sa inyo. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Simple, luto na ha.
So, gagawa tayo ng shrimp and tahong with cheese. So, ito sobrang sarap nito at surely mapapakanin kayo nito. And this recipe is part of the UFC 50th Anniversary Cookbook. Kaya, sigurado tayong masarap to. So, we will just saute ito. Oil, then konting butter, konting margarine. Ito, pang palinamnam to. And we will saute our mga ricados. No? So, we have our onions and garlic. Yan. Gisa-gisa lang. And we will also be adding a little bit of our UFC young corn cuts. And I will just drain off the tubig from this one, the brine. We will add our red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yan, and our seafood. And itong recipe na to, contribution ng ating kaibigang si Zanaida Prado na taga Bataan. At itong recipe na to, luto daw nila to sa bahay nila. And I'm sure it's very delicious. Hipon. I think pwede din to panghandaan talaga tong ating recipe. Yan. And our corn, UFC young corn cuts. I will add vinegar. So there's quite a lot of vinegar hito. So we're using around a cup, 3/4 cup to a cup of vinegar. Konting sugar, no? Just to balance it all. And our main ingredient, ang bida sa ating recipe, our UFC TAMIS Anghang banana ketchup. Perfect, no? Around a cup of this. So it's like a stew, no? A seafood stew of sorts. Seasoned with salt or patis if you want. Just to stir, stir, stir. So if you want a copy of this recipe and 49 other recipes, pwede nyo i-download from the NutriAsia website. Yan. May link below. So, sobrang sarap nito, coming together. And black pepper. And look at the color, no? Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Parang siyang kakulay yung sauce at saka yung hipon, no? Yan, mix that up. Let that cook. I will just grate a little bit of cheese, no? I will add a bit to the sauce and I will add more as topping. So, ito, cheese, cheese, cheese. Pwede mong damihan yung cheese. At pwede mo din siyang tawagin na seafood marites kasi cheesy siya. What cheese means, di ba? We don't want our seafood to be overcooked, ha? Nilagyan ko ng pepper. Yan. So, lutong-luto na yung ating shrimp. And we're ready to plate. Our sauce will really bring out the sweetness of our seafood. So, hindi yung sugar yung nagpapadagdag ng tamis niya or the banana ketchup, but it is actually the asin, no? It will highlight the sweetness of the seafood, lalo na pag sobrang fresh ng ating seafood. Look at that. And now, to finish, we will grate more cheese. At gitna lang, para makita mo naman yung seafood natin. Little bit of parsley or spring onions. Ang dali lang ating recipe. And it's also very delicious. And try this recipe from Zanaida Prado of Bataan. Ang sarap na kanyang shrimp and tahong with cheese. Simple!